Today's gospel shows Jesus watching people give their offerings in the temple. Many rich people gave large amounts, but it was the poor widow with only 2 small coins whom Jesus praised. Why? Because she gave her whole heart. She gave not from her extra, but from her need. Her gift was small, yet it was filled with love and trust. My brothers and sisters, God does not measure the size of our gifts. He looks at the love behind them. A simple act of kindness, a moment of patience, a quiet sacrifice can become a beautiful offering to God. So, as we end the liturgical year and prepare for Advent, let us ask, what gift can I offer the Lord today? And may our giving be sincere, humble, and filled with faith. Amen.